Hello everyone. Today we are going to see about Git and GitHub. So we know that in all of the companies they are using the version controls, and many of the developers and the teams use the Git and GitHub. So I thought it's very important for all of us to know at least the basics of it. So this is a beginner's course. So yeah, here we go. Let's see what is the course curriculum. So first of all, in the course curriculum, we'll understand what is Git, and then the important Git commands, I would say, for a beginner, and then how to create your Git account, know the difference between Git and GitHub, and then initiate local repository, and then we see types of files in the repository, and then we see commands to find the file status, add and commit them. And then there are three areas in GitHub repository, I would say. So it is also called as workflow. So, and then we would see the Git branch, Git pull, and Git push. So yeah, first let's know what is a Git. So basically, Git is a version control. So it manages the changes that you're making in any file or code. And then you can see all the histories that are there, your changes, your history of changes like deletion, addition, insertion, removal, and stuff. So it's a free and open source, and most of the programmers use this because it is used by most of the programmers, so that all the team members will be aware if there are any code changes that are made, and if they have to work on something else, they'll have the complete history of where it has begun and what it is today. So yeah, the important commands that has to be known, right? Few of them. So we'll go into Git status and all those stuffs in the later part. So Git clone. So the clone is to download the files from your uh, GitHub to your local machine, that is your PC. And then add is to add any files that you have made it changes to your GitHub repository. And then once you add them, you have to save them. So use git commit to save them. And then push in order to push those changes into your GitHub branch or the master. But generally they do it on master only after the code is reviewed in your branch. So we'll see what is master and branch later on. So yeah, pull is to download the latest changes from Git. So yeah, these are the commands. So in the next lecture, we'll be seeing how to install a GitHub account.